Okay, so hello build, we are going to be building the Instagram clone, and I've divided in series of builds. So today is going to be for the navbar, the Instagram navbar, and let me give you a quick overview. So yeah, it's just a simple create React app, and this is the app.js, the index.js, cleaned everything, and in the package.json where I've installed some dependencies, SaaS and material UI icons that we're going to be using also, and SaaS, we're going to be using SaaS for the styling, and the icons, we have the logo, the Instagram logo itself, then we have the index, we have imported everything and I've exported. So these are the basic images or icons that we're going to be using. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we're going to create a folder, components, in the components folder we're going to have the nav bar. Inside the nav bar we're going to have the nav bar.js, and here I'm just going to run RAFCE, the React import React function from the ES6 snippet. Then yeah, I'm just going to import SCSS. Sure, we don't have it yet, so we're going to create it, and yeah, we're going to have one file known as index.js. So actually this index.js, this is where we're going to be importing all the components in the component folder. So if I create a new one here, like let me say a new folder here, like post, then I create now the post.js. So actually this post.js, what it's going to have here is empty. Then now in this index file, rather than importing all of them in this app.js, it's going to make our app very, like, it's not going to make our code to be clean, so it's going to make our code to be dirty. So yeah, I'm going to import all of them. Import navbar from navbar, and import post from post. Then now here I just come and do export the navbar and the post, but we're not going to use the post though. So in the app.js file here, I'm going to give it a class name set app, and here I'm just going to return a navbar component, a navbar, where I save everything. I can come back here, and here I'm going to give it a class name also of app underscore nav bar y7. I've provided you guys here with the root that we're going to be using in this build, all the colors and everything in between. So yeah, we are going to start by closing the navbar. You are going to have app underscore navbar dash left. You are going to have an image set here to be the logo. Oh, sorry for that. In this logo, let's import it. Okay, it cannot be imported, we need to import it manually. Import logo from let's go out of it, icons. So if I save it, and yeah, let's go out of this right. You will add a village stick app underscore navbar dash right. Here we're going to have the right input. Then now we are going to have the input here and the placeholder of search. Before the input we're going to have the search icon itself. So with that set, here we're going to have the URL set to right underscore routes. Then inside here we're going to have LIs. Each LI is going to have, this one is going to have the home outline icon, and let's copy and make a duplicate of it. Yeah, sorry for that. Here we're going to have the send, and also here we're going to have the add. Here we're going to have the explore, and here we're going to have the favorite. So I don't know. Okay, everything is okay. Let's check it. So this is everything we're going to be using here, and let's also look for one profile picture that we're going to be using. Actually, I don't know why I never kept it though. Profile picture. So let's search online. Let's take this one. Let's copy the image address and come here. The last li, we're going to remove this svg, and we're going to render an image here, and we're going to paste in the link of that picture. So if you go back now, here you're going to see this is the picture. Sweet. So now let's start with the styling and everything in between. I love shrinking them. I'm going to start by app underscore navbar. Give it a display of flex. Align items of center. Justify content of space between. A height of 60 pixels. A height of 60 pixels. A border bottom of var border, a padding of 15%, left and right, and 0 top and bottom. So if you save it, you see everything is being arranged. So now we're going to take in the logo. I think the logo is okay. Anyway, so just take it up underscore left and take the image inside and give it a height of 39 pixels and a width of 100%. Let us see. Okay, sweet. Now let's take this one. Display flex, a width of 70%, and align items to center, justify content of space between. Let us take the right underscore input, give it the display flex, align items to center, give it a background of var, light white, and give it a pattern of 16 pixels left and right, and 2 pixels top and bottom. Then we are going to have it, give it a border radius set to be 5 pixels, let's say so. Then let us see how it is. Okay, let us give it a, let's take the SVG here and give it a color set to var. Let us give it a gray, and let's give it a font size of 1.5 rem. Okay, no, it's not giving though. Copying, sometimes typography. Okay, this is it here. Let us give this one also a height of 39 or 36 pixels, and let us see how it goes. Okay, that's it there. We are going to give let us style the input inside here, give it a display of flex, a height of 100%, width of stick flex of 1. So flex of 1 is that is going to take all the remaining spaces that is like all the remaining spaces that is left in the box, and also a border of none, a background of none, outline set to none. So if you take a look at it now, it makes sense, but now it's like kind of attached to the input, so I'm going to give it a pattern left of 5 pixels. So now if you take a look at it, sweet. So now I'm going to give also a font size here of 16 pixels, and I'm going to take also the placeholder here, give it a font size of 16 pixels. Okay, so now makes it kind of responsive with the icon. So now let us take the route inside. Let's go out of the right input and give it a display flex, align item center, justify content of, anyway, let us allow like that. List type set to none, and let's take the allies here and give it a qsoft pointer, and let's take the SVGs, but let's give this one a class name first of rotate, and let's take inside here the rotate. Yes, give it a transform, rotate here -45 degrees, like kind of look like an icon of the direct page. So now I'll take the SVGs here, give it a font size of 1.7 rem. So if I save it and go back to the browser, here they are. And also let's take the image, give it a height of 24, a width of 24, a border radius of 50%, and a object feed of cover. So let's see. Yeah, that's it. This li, let's give a margin of 1 rem left and right, and 0 top and bottom. Let's see. Now it makes sense. Now it looks sweet. So thank you guys for watching, and in the next video we're going to build a drop down where you click the user image, and also the drop down where you click on the search button. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.